Okay, I've been confused in my content lately. Those of you that follow me on my pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest, who can testify to this? I am not lost. That's just the truth. I'm not lost. It's just I have a lot of ideas inside here. Sometimes I don't know what I'm dealing with. If I'm dealing with overthinking, I'm dealing with content consistency. I just don't know. And I think that confusion has actually made the algorithm does not understand me. I don't even understand myself sometimes. Like I'm making this video, so whoever is in my video out there, you can and you're going through the same thing, you can actually understand what I'm saying. So one time I am making a dance video. Those that know me, I started with dance. Then the next I'm making edits like CEO Masterpiece. Actually, I'll tag him in this video because he's one of my idols that I look up to, one of the creators I look up to. And next thing I'm making vlogs, and that kind of sucks, like really sucks. But one time I'm having this idea, then because I've been confusing the algorithm. It makes the algorithm, whenever I upload a video, instead of me to get a positive response, I'm getting, one time my video is dropping, is I'm doing well, I'm getting a lot of engagement on my video. The next thing I try to experiment with another type of niche, that's the vlog. Then it doesn't go so well. And there I have this kind of supporters that most of them do what, they actually like the video or they share, but some just watch and they scroll through, which is really bad. So I'm just making these videos to say what I'm going to be doing from now henceforth. I think I've done enough of testing. I'll just be taking videos or record of my growth, share my growth with you, share my thoughts on things that I love or things that I find interesting. I think I'll be doing part of teaching. I'm still confused. I know I'm still confused, but I just made this video so it can like clarify myself. So I won't be forcing niches anymore. I will just be making videos on my self growth, things that my experience, and a bit of editing though. So I'm just experimenting. I'm not yet niched down to any specific thing. So if you're a creative out there, or you feel like you're also in the same shoes with me, follow and subscribe to join in my growth. Thank you very much. I did. Had I did. Yes.